So we pulled the blinkers out of our 2010 Jetta, and you can see it resembles, it looks like it's welded into the metal, but it's actually just melted plastic. You can see it on this side. They have that little plastic trim that's right around the socket of the bulb, and it obviously got a little too heated on this side and it melted the plastic. So we're gonna have to break that loose and toss a new bulb in the blinker housing. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this guy, and I have to, oh shoot, definitely got to be careful with this. Starting to loosen up. There it is. You can see that. Yeah, it really melted down in there, so no bueno. And thankfully, looks like this one's pretty loose. That one really was stuck in there. But anywho, let's go ahead and grab, I know this bulb is still working for now. Let's go ahead and grab another one and we'll pop it in here. Let's see if we've got one in the drawer. Always got to have just a bunch of random bulbs. Hopefully this one will still work. It looks like it might. And here's a brand spanking new one, I think. I'm debating on whether or not I should put this one in there. We'll go with the brand new looking one. This one looks like it's actually in good condition. And anybody that's interested in the part number, 1156 is the bulb size. It's pretty common, so should just go ahead and match up with these. It looks good. Push this guy in. Might be a bit of a challenge. I can see that there's a little melted plastic that's in the way right here. Let me turn this flash on. There we go. So yeah, you can see right there, it's supposed to look like the other side. It's like the letter L, kind of at an angle, but that's supposed to be open and clear in order to allow these little nipples, if you will, on the edge of the bulb socket, so it can actually push down in here all the way. But we're only getting about halfway, so we got to fix that by getting a razor blade or a little screwdriver, and we'll push that out. Let's go with one of these, if I can get it out of here. Take one of these guys. Nice and pointy. Well, we've scratched out a little bit of that L shape. Let's try to put one in there now. Still a little stiff. All right, that's a little better. Let's try that now. That seems about right. Let's try that. Now we should be able to line this up. Remember, you angle the top portion in first, then you can go ahead and flip this guy, push in that top connector, and follow it up with the gray piece facing the bottom on the lower, larger connector. There we go. And that should do it for this taillight repair. Let's see if it works. Hit our hazards. All right, our blinker is working. Looking good.